Okay, thank you very much. We have to discuss with the tensor analysis. This class is so important, and every students are thinking about covariant curvature tensor. Covariant curvature tensor is rank of 4. So then I think that you have to remind this theorem. Firstly, covariant curvature tensor, if F is called the 4 rank of covariant tensor, okay, and F is called the curvature tensor or Riemann matrix Gij, dxi and dxj. Secondly, of thinking Rijk, it is called the Riemann symbols of second kind. It's a formula, and this formula is so easy. I think that you have to thinking and mind it and memorize them. I, J, K, A equal to del x j a I j a I k minus del x k into a I j minus b I j a b k plus b I k into a b j. Okay, this is the 4 rank of Riemann's symbols of second kind. This is the 4 rank of Riemann's symbols of second kind, or F is the called curvature tensor or Riemann matrix, which is the denoted Gij and dxi dxj. Right? You are. This is the formula and this is the rules. This rules is so easy. Firstly, I, J, K, I, K, I, and I. Clear? K, J, and J, K. Clear? This is the system of demand it. Okay? Now we have to prove that this theorem. We have to prove that this theorem is 29. We have to prove that this theorem is 29. Theorem is 29. First of all, AI is a covariant tensor. Then show that AI is a covariant tensor. Aij is a covariant vector. Then show that AI, jk minus ai, kj equal to a and Rijk a, whereas Rij is previous to rules, where Rijk is the previous rules. Right you are. Okay? And start this proof. And start this proof. This proved. Prove this theorem. Firstly, AIBA covariant tensor. AI is a covariant tensor or vectors. एक ही कथा covariant derivative or its derivative and its differentiate with respect to xj. With respect to xj. So I know that aij equal to del ai by del xj minus a equal to a divide I j. Right? This is the first equation. With respect to x to the power k, x to the power differentiate with respect to x to the power k, x to the power k. So I and j k equal to a I j all of k equal to del a I j divided by del x k minus a k j a of I k minus a I a of a j and k. This is the equation number is 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get aij means this and this value of this. Okay, so that implies del by del xk is a formula del ai divided by del xj minus a into a I j. Aij first closed. Okay, acha minus this is the formula a del a divided by del a divided by del xj minus a b j into a I k. Right you are. Minus formula del ai divided by del xa minus ab into a j k. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, ever right now in this multiply of this format. Okay, right, and I think that's equal to just for multiplying del square a I divided by del xk and del xj minus del a divided by del xk into a I j, aij plus a del xk into a I j first, and plus minus del a divided by del x j into aik plus ab del by del x del by ab is a b, a and j, and aik, and thirdly minus del a I divide del x a of j and k plus a b I a into a j k. Okay, thank you. That's aijk. Now that's equal to del square ai divided by del xk into del x j minus del x divided by del xk del x into aij del xk into aij minus a del by del xi del x del xk into aij minus del a divided by del xj is a aik plus a b divided by b a and j into a divided by a I k. Okay, minus del ai divided by del x a into a divided by j k plus a b is a b I and a is a and j k. Okay, is a third number equation. Okay, now this formula is just for this formula and calculate. Just for this formula and calculate. We know previously, and this number equations and 4 ai k and j equal to del square ai divided by del x j and del x k minus del a divided by del x j. Del x is a I and k minus a a a del by del x z del by del x z into a I k right, so you are okay. Then minus del by del a into del x k a I j plus a b del by del x a b into b I a k is a I j. Okay, right. এবার minus del a z del a I divided by del x a into a k z plus a b b I and k স্থলে a and a k I স্থলে k and j, right? Okay, is a number 4. এবার যদি আমরা we have to subtract 3 and 4. Now is the formula and applicable these rules. Now 3 and 4. Now 3 and 4 that implies a I comma j k minus a I comma k j equal to minus del a divided by del xk into a I j plus minus a into del by del x k into a divided by I j minus del a divided by del x j into a I k plus a b into b a j into a I k plus del a divided by del x j into a divided by I k plus a into del by del x j a I k. Okay, plus del by del a divide del x k into a I j minus a b b into a k into a I and j a k b a k I a k. That's the formula equal this is the formula of a j k equal to this is the formula of a k j, right? Is the put these values in equation. Okay, equal to minus a del by del x k into a I j plus a b is a b a and j a divide a I and k Okay, plus a del y del x z into a I k minus a b b a k into a I and j equal to a and interchanging now interchanging a and b and now interchanging a and b second and fourth equal both terms we get, right? Okay, is the main equation is approved, is nearly that a I k j k minus a k j equal to a into del y del x j into a I k minus del y del x k into a I j plus a b j into b I k minus a b and bj and b and I k minus a b k is a b I and j is a number 5 equation, number 5. And also you have to show that a I comma j k minus a I k j equal to a r I j k a. Well, actually this thinking about these first conditions is a number 5 equation, number 6 equations is the number 6 equation. Well, actually you are thinking about this proved, it's also my proved. Firstly, left hand side of 5 is covariant tensor of rank 3, and consequently right hand side of 5 is covariant tensor of rank 3, but AAG is arbitrary vectors, and it follows that quotient law of F is a mixed tensor of rank 4. So it shows that যা দেখায় যে it is দেখায় যে R I J and K and A এত is M I X E D mixed tensor of rank 4 it is so it shows that eto is a mixed tensor of 4 and that is called the curvature of tensor and R I J K A that is called the curvature of tensor that is the and that is the called the curvature of tensor of rank rank 4. Okay, fine. This is the theorem diamond crystals or curvature, at least the curvature of tensor is rank 4. It is deeply think about this theorem. This theorem is so important. You have to remind and practice in home or any others. I think that this theorem is coming exam. This theorem is coming exam. Obviously, this theorem is memorized and right now in your kata. It's also so easy. It's also so easiest method. All of viewers are watching these videos, and you and your friends are share and subscribe this theorem, because this theorem is so easiest method. I think that all of students are this method is easily solve this course, easily solve this examining hall, and to write this kata. So thank you very much. You have to watch. You have to watch totally. You have to watch totally videos and subscribe to you and your friends, all of them. That's all. Okay, fine.